Have you ever wondered how AI can make you money today? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a sci-fi concept. It's here, it's now, and it's transforming industries across the board, from healthcare to entertainment, and especially in finance and investment. The rise of AI has been nothing short of spectacular, and it's not slowing down. In the business world, more and more successful entrepreneurs are embracing AI technology to boost their profits. They're leveraging AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, predict trends, and make decisions with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This technology isn't just for the big players either. Even small businesses and startups are finding ways to harness the power of AI, using it to drive growth and gain a competitive edge. But how exactly does AI make money for you? Let's dive in. To understand how AI can make money for you, we first need to understand what AI is and how it's used in business. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. These machines, particularly computer systems, are designed to mimic human thought patterns, learning from experience and adjusting to new inputs. But AI isn't just a sci-fi concept. It's a practical tool that's already being used in various sectors of business. Imagine a world where routine tasks are automated, freeing up employees to focus on more complex issues. That's the reality with AI. It can handle tasks ranging from data entry to customer service, improving efficiency and accuracy. In customer service, for instance, AI chatbots can handle routine inquiries, allowing human agents to tackle more complex customer issues. This not only saves time but also reduces the potential for human error, ultimately saving costs and increasing customer satisfaction. Beyond automating processes, AI is a powerful tool for analyzing data. In the age of big data, businesses are inundated with information. Sorting through this data manually would be a Herculean task. Enter AI. It can sift through massive amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to spot. These insights can inform strategic decision-making, helping businesses to stay competitive and drive growth. AI is also a predictive powerhouse. By analyzing past patterns, AI can make accurate predictions about future trends. For retailers, this could mean predicting what products will be popular in the upcoming season. For investors, it could mean anticipating market movements. These predictions can inform strategy and decision-making, potentially leading to increased revenue. To sum it up, AI is a versatile tool that can automate processes, analyze data, and make accurate predictions. By doing so, it can save time, reduce costs, and increase revenue, making it a valuable asset in the business world. Now that we know what AI is and how it's used in business, let's look at how you can use AI to make money. One of the most straightforward ways to make money with AI is by investing in AI stocks. As we march into the future, artificial intelligence continues to play an ever-increasing role in our lives. This technology has the potential to transform our world as we know it, making it a promising field for investment. By investing in AI stocks, you're essentially betting on the future of technology and innovation. You see, the demand for AI technology is growing at an unprecedented rate. Companies across industries are adopting AI to streamline their operations, offer better services, and gain a competitive edge. This growing demand is driving the growth of AI companies and, consequently, their stock prices. Take note though, investing in AI isn't just about buying shares in tech giants like Google and Amazon, although they're certainly key players in the field. There are numerous other companies that specialize in AI, from startups developing groundbreaking AI technology to established firms integrating AI into their existing products and services. For instance, NVIDIA, a company that initially made its name in graphics processing units, is now a leader in AI computing. Their technology is used in self-driving cars, cloud data centers, and even in the fight against diseases. Another is IBM, a long-standing tech company that has been at the forefront of AI with its Watson platform. Then we have companies like Twilio, which uses AI to revolutionize communication and customer engagement. Or Salesforce, a cloud-based software company that leverages AI to offer personalized customer experiences. Of course, investing in stocks always comes with risks. It's important to do your research, understand the market, and diversify your portfolio. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or using AI-powered investment tools to make informed decisions. Remember, while these companies are leaders in the field today, the landscape of AI is ever evolving. New players are emerging and breakthroughs are happening all the time. By staying informed and keeping an eye on trends, you can spot investment opportunities early and potentially reap substantial rewards. Investing in AI stocks is a great way to profit from the AI revolution, but it's not the only way. Another way to make money with AI is by using AI for trading. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does that work? Well, let's dive into it. Artificial intelligence has the ability to analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed. This comes in handy when you're dealing with financial markets. The markets generate a colossal amount of data each day, and human traders can only analyze a fraction of it. This is where AI steps in. It can process all of this data, identify patterns, and make predictions about future market trends. Imagine being able to analyze every stock, bond, or commodity in the world, all at once. That's the power of AI. It can provide insights that would be impossible for a human to gather in a reasonable amount of time. And these insights can be used to make more accurate trading decisions, leading to improved results. AI doesn't just stop at analyzing data, it can also execute trades on your behalf. This is often done through algorithmic trading, where a set of rules is designed for making trade orders. The AI can constantly monitor the markets and execute trades the moment it identifies a profitable opportunity. Now let's talk about some of the popular AI trading platforms out there. Companies like Alpaca, Trade Ideas, and eVestInForex offer AI-driven trading tools. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to predict market movements and provide trade signals. They can help you cut down on time spent analyzing the markets and increase your potential for profit. But remember, while AI can enhance your trading strategy, it's not a magic bullet. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. It's still crucial to have a solid understanding of the markets and to use sound judgment when making trading decisions. Using AI for trading can give you a significant edge over other traders, but what if you could make money with AI without investing or trading? Starting an AI business is another excellent way to make money with AI. The world of artificial intelligence is vast and full of potential, making it a fertile ground for entrepreneurs ready to dive in and explore. Let's begin with the notion of creating AI software. Imagine developing a program that can predict stock market trends, or perhaps a chatbot that can provide customer service around the clock. These are just a few examples of the many possibilities. But remember, creating AI software doesn't mean you have to be a programming genius. There are numerous AI tools and platforms available today that can help you build your own AI solutions, even if you're not a tech whiz. Now let's move on to AI consulting services. With the growing demand for AI, many businesses are looking for guidance on how to incorporate this technology into their operations. This is where AI consultants come in. As an AI consultant, you can advise businesses on AI strategy, implementation, and even training. This can be a lucrative route if you have a strong understanding of AI and its practical applications. But what's the market like for AI businesses? Well, the demand for AI solutions is growing in various industries. From healthcare to finance to retail, companies are increasingly seeking ways to leverage AI to enhance their operations and customer experience. This trend is expected to continue, meaning there's considerable opportunity for AI businesses to thrive. However, it's important to note that starting an AI business, like any other venture, comes with its own set of challenges. These may include securing funding, navigating regulatory hurdles, and staying ahead of the competition. But with the right mindset, strategy, and a dash of perseverance, these hurdles can be overcome. In conclusion, while starting an AI business requires a good blend of technical knowledge, business acumen, and a deep understanding of the market, it can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor. It's a journey of innovation, creativity, and constant learning that can potentially lead to great success. Starting an AI business can be a profitable venture, especially as more and more businesses look for ways to incorporate AI technology. AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's changing the way we do business and make money. We've delved into the vast world of artificial intelligence and its impact on various aspects of business, from investment to trading, and even starting your own AI-based venture. We discussed the potential of investing in AI stocks, an avenue that allows you to ride on the wave of technological advancements while multiplying your wealth. We also touched on the use of AI in trading, a revolutionary method that's streamlining and optimizing the way we navigate the stock market. Moreover, we explored the exciting prospect of starting your own AI business. With the right idea and execution, you can create a profitable venture that's at the forefront of innovation. AI is not the future, it's the now. Whether you're an entrepreneur or an investor, AI offers numerous opportunities to increase your profits. So why not start exploring these opportunities today?